Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, class 9th biology. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter number 4, cells and tissues. The next topic which we are going to discuss is about ribosomes. The first question which may be asked is about the definition of ribosomes. What are ribosomes? Or define ribosomes. So ribosomes are tiny granular structures that are either floating freely in the cytoplasm or bound to endoplasmic reticulum. Then the next question may be, what is the composition of ribosomes? There is the composition of ribosome, and that is equal amounts of proteins and ribosomal RNA. Then, is there any difference between the eukaryotic ribosomes and prokaryotic ones? The answer is yes. There is difference between the eukaryotic ribosomes and prokaryotic ribosomes with reference to their size. What is the function of ribosomes is the next question. First of all, they are involved in the protein synthesis. The next question is, how many units ribosomes have? Ribosome has two smaller subunits. So these are the questions which may be asked as short questions. There are some MCQs which may be asked. The first one is, from the introduction of ribosomes, that tiny granular structures found in the cell are, yes, ribosomes. Ribosome may also be bound or attached to endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are membrane bounded or not? Ribosomes are not bound by membranes. Eukaryotic ribosomes are slightly larger than the prokaryotic ones. Ribosomes are involved in the protein synthesis. There are two smaller units of ribosomes. Our next topic is about mitochondria. The first question, which can be selected as a short question, that is, what are mitochondria? Mitochondria are double membrane bonded structures found only in eukaryotes. The next question may be, what is the function of mitochondria? Mitochondria's function is aerobic respiration and energy production. The next question is, describe the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria has two membranes, outer smooth membrane and the inner membrane in the form of cristae. And there is also the mitochondrial matrix. Do mitochondria have DNA? Yes, mitochondria have their own DNA as well as their own ribosomes. Mitochondria, the MCQs may be, the first one is from the definition of mitochondria that they are double membrane bounded structures. Mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration. Energy is produced in mitochondria. The enfoldings of inner membrane are called cristae. And mitochondria have DNA and ribosomes. So the topic of mitochondria and ribosomes, which we have discussed till now, can also be selected as long questions. Our next topic is plastids, which is also a long question like mitochondria, and these both have been selected in the examination for many times. The first short question which can be asked from this topic is, like the previous topics, what are plastids? So plastids are membrane bounded organelles, and that is the main thing, that they are only present in the cells of plants. As well, they are present in the photosynthetic protists like algae. The next question may be, how many types of plastids are? Name them. Then you will have to write the names of 3 kinds of plastids. The first one is chloroplast. The second one is chromoplast, and the third one is leucoplast. So you will have to write the names of all these 3 kinds of plastids. The next question is, what are chloroplasts? Or give the structure of chloroplast, and the answer will be from the portion of chloroplast starting from here to here. The next question may be, what is the function of chloroplast? Chloroplasts are the sites of photosynthesis in eukaryotes. So they are involved in photosynthesis. The other questions may also be asked from chloroplast, just like what are thylakoids, what is grana or granum as well. The next question is about chromoplast. What is chromoplast? Chromoplast are plastid, no doubt, and they contain pigment rather than green to bright colors and flowers and fruits. So there is the function of chromoplast, and the question may be, what is the function of chromoplast? So chromoplast have function, and that is help in pollination and dispersal of fruits. And the last one is about leucoplast. Leucoplasts are third type of plastid, and they are colorless plastids. What is the function? Their function is to store starch, proteins, lipids, and they are found in the food storage portions. Some MCQs may also be from this page. The first question may be, that is, plastids are membrane bound organelles. Plastids are found only in plants and photosynthetic protists. There are 3 types of plastids. Chloroplasts are double membrane organelles. Of course, thylakoids and about granum can be asked, as well as about stroma. Chromoplasts have colors. Leucoplasts are colorless. So these are different kinds of MCQs which may be asked along with short questions from this page. Our next topic is endoplasmic reticulum. This is also a long question, and the first short question, like other organelles, here is also what are endoplasmic reticulum. So the endoplasmic reticulum is a network of interconnected channels that extends from cell membrane to nuclear envelope. How many types of endoplasmic reticulum? This exists in two forms. There are four main questions on this page you are seeing. The first question is about rough endoplasmic reticulum. The second question is about smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and there are two questions about the function of these two types of endoplasmic reticulum. So the questions may be asked: what are rough endoplasmic reticulum? What are smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Give the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Give the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Or the two questions may be asked so: describe rough endoplasmic reticulum and describe smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The MCQs may be asked so. The first one is: rough endoplasmic reticulum is named so because of numerous ribosomes that are attached to it. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has the function of protein synthesis, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes. And the main function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to detoxify the harmful chemicals. So dear students, we have discussed 3 topics today. In the next lecture we shall discuss the other topics of chapter number 4, cells and tissues. Inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.